see the movements. Jenny's left leg is also tilted because it's a result of a car accident. So this is a condition that has made things more difficult. Here is another technique used by Luis of pushing Jenny towards the border of the swimming pool and stimulating his reaction to produce a distension of his elongation of his legs, pushing back from the border of the swimming pool as he's being pushed towards it by Luis. Yes.